depth, transmissivity, and chlorophyll concentrations.
Oh, let's set it right on the edge right here. Alright, set it right there. Start slow and then we'll speed up.
Go to meter. How does it look, Julie? Good? Okay.
So what's the green?
Chlorophyll.
And the red?
Temperature.
I'll show you something. See this thing right here? That's a trigger and it catches right there. So the way you set that trigger, pull up. And you got to keep tension on it, otherwise if you let go, trigger falls down. So keep tension on it.
Tension on it. Got it.
Okay, now lift it up, over the side. Okay, we're down. Good. Looks good. We'll see. If it hits the bottom, that trigger snaps, and that draws that grab. That's it, like if I lose off. Coming up. And I'll take a sample out of it. We'll take a photograph. First, photograph. Surface. Off the tank. Tiger. Be careful you don't pinch yourself in this whole thing. You just push right from the top, straight down. Don't put your fingers down below there.
Got it.
Pretty sandy, huh?
Well, that's what we want to find out. And then pull it off gently, just straight up.
Straight up.
And you can set it right behind you there. Although that's the redux.
Redux, yeah. This is the Ponar that came up right the first station.
Yeah.
We were looking for stamp sand and it doesn't seem like it has a stamp sand. You can see two layers of different colors of sediments. The first layer is darker, which means that it has more oxygen, and then when you go down you get the lighter oxygenated as a top layer.
We do have those dark things in here.
Yeah.
They could be stamp sand particles.
Might be.
I just don't know. Yeah, there's holopedium on here and there's diporia. That's this one here moving around. Now we will sieve samples and then collect these things. So there's a diporia. That's a holopedium. Snot balls are the holopedium. The ones that are suffering, amphipods moving around, that's the diporia. The more reddish is the deeper. And the art probably does come from the big. Okay. What values was he getting? Average value?
I'll take 1.2, but it's
It does have that dark. See in the cut too.
Yeah.
Little grains on it.
Yeah.
Could be stamp sand grains.
It's not on the. This is the top.
That's the top.
Okay.
Yeah. And you can see, yeah, there's a lot of holopedium there.
Yeah.
But yeah, there are dark grains on the side. And right there.
there.
Yeah.
Well,
I don't see any purple or pink layers though.
no.
But who knows? It may come out in the copper concentration. So the stuff is here out in this one.
Get all at the end, then you kind of take your hose and rinse everything down to one corner of that sieve.
Sure.
And then you put it in your sample bag, or what do you want to do with it?
Put stuff down there, and then you'll want to wash it into.
I think we can wash them all into the bucket.
All in?
Yeah, I mean, so too. A lot of worms. Yeah.
Diaper.
Yep.
There's a lot of stuff in there.
Uh-huh.
A lot of lake trout food. You know, the commercial fishermen aren't catching lake trout this year. They're having a hard time getting lake trout.
Oh, really?
I don't know why.
Huh.
They don't know why.
Water's warmer.
Maybe that's it, yeah. So you set this back down. And then you take this bucket and your hose and you kind of like rinse out the sand and then get it.
Put up and level in the bottom.
Yeah, we're low.
Okay. Now that had formalin in it, right?
Yes.
Okay. That's it. One down. How deep is it here?
17.
So it's dark there. Wait, we got 16? So no, they can see. Are these stamp sands are topped, and there are, it looks like in the core, and that makes a lot of sense. They're getting closer. They're migrating down towards this site. So we're starting to get more coarse grained stamp sands at the site. This is interesting. Layer cake. See that on the inside.
83 meters.
83 meters.
It's just coming in recently. Either that or it's being removed. I don't think so. It's too heavy particles.
Take it out of the line.
You see these weird channels? It's as if the very strong currents come down here. We know they're southerly directed because of the way the stamp sands are moved, but it's as if they jet up right here.